So this is the new car. It is a Nagoro Blue Audi S4 Avant. That's a wagon for those people that don't know what Avant means. There's not very many of these, so there's a handful of them that I know of in Australia. There's only 2 for sale at the moment. We bought the cheapest one, and I mean the cheapest one. It is disgustingly dirty. So there's going to be a fair few videos of fixing this thing up, getting it to a state where I can daily drive it. We're going to start by just doing the basics, obviously. We're going to get it nice and clean and go from there. So you've seen me quickly clean the B5. Now, I really needed to at least pressure clean the thing off because it was horrible. Like, honestly, I felt dirty leaning up against it. I felt dirty driving it home for 2.5 hours. It is a very, very cosmetically rough car. Now, mechanically, it's pretty sound. It's had a lot of those common B5 S4 things. So for those of you that don't know about these cars, hop online. Google is your friend. The 2.7 litre twin turbo V6 that they have in there is an amazing sounding engine, and it is a very, very good proven performer, but it is not without its problems. Now, a lot of those little niggly things, they've already been sorted out on the car, so that's a good thing. That's not to say that that's going to be the end of it, but hey, look, that's part of the B5 life. So I'm going to be getting thick and dirty and smelly and in amongst it all, so I'll be finding out firsthand what it is all about. When I do replace things, I'm going to try and upgrade them when I go along, so I'll take you guys on that journey as well. So yeah, look, it is very, very bit untidy. We'll be addressing those issues first so I can get the thing on the road and drive it. Interior wise, yes, it's got the factory option Recaro seats from the RS4, carbon trim, things like that. It's got some coilovers fitted, some 19-inch alloy, some other Audi alloys. I'm not a big fan of them. It sits a bit dub spec for me. I'd probably want to try and get some more period correct 17 or 18s. I like the fitment, but yeah, I'm not a big fan of the design. It's probably a bit too modern, post sort of 2010 era for the car, which is 01. So other than that, stay tuned. B5 Life, R36 or the B5. Yeah, B5. What have I done?